Before you make your decision to buy StrongVPN, there are 12 important things you should know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of how it stacks up against the competition, so stay tuned. First, let's talk about the price. StrongVPN has a competitive pricing structure, especially when compared to bigger names like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. While it's not the cheapest out there, it's a solid middle ground option that still offers good value for money, especially with their yearly plan. Next, StrongVPN offers over 950 servers in 30+ countries. While it's not as extensive as some of the larger VPN providers like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, it's more than enough for most users who are just looking for fast, secure connections without the need for an overwhelming number of server options. The third thing to keep in mind is the speed. StrongVPN delivers pretty good speeds, but it may not always compete with premium services like NordVPN when it comes to consistent high-speed browsing or streaming. However, for general use, it holds up well and doesn't introduce significant lag. The fourth thing you should know is the security. StrongVPN uses AES 256 encryption, which is considered military grade. So if security is your top priority, this VPN won't let you down. It's on par with top competitors like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, but where it lacks is in some of the advanced security features that other services offer, like a kill switch on all devices. Next thing to consider is its no logs policy. StrongVPN is based in the US, which does raise some concerns since it's part of the Five Eyes Alliance. While they do have a strict no logs policy, keep in mind that this might make some users uneasy, especially when compared to other VPNs based in more privacy-friendly countries. The sixth thing you need to know is the ease of use. The app is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to jump right in without a steep learning curve. It's not as polished or sleek as the interfaces of some competitors like Surfshark or ExpressVPN, but it gets the job done. The seventh thing to know is its streaming capabilities. StrongVPN works with services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. However, it doesn't have the same reputation for unblocking geo-restricted content as some top-tier services like NordVPN or CyberGhost. If streaming is a primary concern for you, this may be something to consider. The eighth thing is that StrongVPN offers 12 simultaneous device connections. This is a solid offering, but keep in mind that some competitors, like Surfshark, offer unlimited connections, which could be a big draw if you have multiple devices in your home. Next, let's talk about customer support. While StrongVPN offers 24/7 support through live chat and email, it's not as fast or helpful as some of the top competitors. You may find yourself waiting longer for a resolution compared to other VPN services that provide quicker and more thorough support. The 10th thing to note is compatibility. StrongVPN works with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even routers. It doesn't offer native support for as many devices as some competitors, but it does cover most of the essential ones. The 11th thing to consider is the money-back guarantee. StrongVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is a standard offering in the industry. While it's not as generous as some VPNs that offer 45-day or even 60-day guarantees, it gives you enough time to test the service risk-free. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is the overall reputation. While StrongVPN has a loyal following, it doesn't have the same level of recognition as other top-tier VPNs, like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. It's still a solid, reliable choice, but some users may feel more comfortable with the industry leaders who have a larger user base and more reviews. So, is StrongVPN a good option? Yes, it is. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive VPN with faster speeds, better streaming capabilities, and advanced security features, we recommend checking out our top choice. You can try it for free and see for yourself why it might be a better fit.